Some parts like bearings used in moving parts of carpet spinning machines must not be produced on quality. The use of unquality products in the machine causes big problems within 6 to 7 months and also causes big problems for long time. While the using unquality products, the profit of the manufacturer increase, but the customer losses much for a long time. As in all our machines, the materials we use in Euromak Spin 5200 carpet spinning machines, the materials we use are with the first quality. Also, its stainless steel inner drum is produced by our experienced engineers to meet all your needs such as strength and durability. Is designed to the smallest details and can provide possibility to have experience in spinning with taking 93% of humidity of the carpets spinned in 5200 RMP.